Hi children, do you remember me? I am Soumya, your EVS teacher. The last day we had studied about our body parts. Let's recall. The first one, head, H-E-A-D, head. Next one, hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Eye, E-Y-E, eye. N-O-S-E, nose. Ear, E-A-R, ear. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. H-A-N-D, hand. Finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Okay students, now I am going to draw a picture. What is this? This is a flower. What is this? This is a flower. Which body part helped me to draw the picture? Which body part? Our hands. Our hands and fingers help us to draw the picture. Which body part helped me to write here? Which body part? Our hands and fingers. Students, our hands and fingers help us to draw and write. Our hands and fingers help us to draw and write. Okay children, our hands and fingers help us to draw and write. What is the spelling of draw? D-R-A-W, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. What is the spelling of write? W-R-I-T-E, write. What is the spelling of write? W-R-I-T-E, write. Our hands and fingers help us to draw and write. Okay students, which body part help us to walk? Our legs. Do you like skating? Which body part help us to skate? Our legs. Our legs and feet help us to walk and skate. Our legs and feet. Our legs and feet help us to walk and skate. Walk and skate. What is the spelling of walk? W-A-L-K, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Then skate. What is the spelling of skate? S-K-A-T-E, skate. S-K-A-T-E, skate. Okay children, what if we touch your mouth? What is the use of our mouth? Our mouth help us to eat and drink. Our mouth help us to eat and drink. Okay children, our mouth helps us to eat and drink. All of you say with me. Our mouth helps us to eat and drink. What is the spelling of eat? E-A-T, eat. What is the spelling of drink? D-R-I-N-K, drink. Our mouth helps us to eat and drink. Our hands and fingers help us to draw and write. Our legs and feet help us to walk and skate. Okay children, do you see this? What is this? This is a toy. Okay, how can we see this toy? How can we see? Which body part helps us to see the toy? Which body part? Our eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. Our eyes help us to see the things around us. Eyes. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes for see. What is the spelling of see? S-E-E. See. Okay students. All of you look here. Rose flower. It has a good smell. How can we smell? How can we smell? Which body part help us to smell? Our nose. Our nose. Our nose help us to smell and breathe. Okay children. Our nose help us to smell. What is the spelling of smell? S-M-E-L-L. Okay children. Can you hear me? Do you hear my voice? How can you hear my voice? Which body part help us to hear? Which body part? Our ears. Our ears. We have 2 ears. Okay children, what is the spelling of ears? E-A-R-S. Ears for hearing. Okay children, H-E-A-R. Hear. Okay children, do you like this lollipop? Do you like this lollipop? How do we taste this lollipop? Which body part help us to taste this lollipop? Our tongue. Our tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our tongue helps us to taste. What is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Taste. What is the spelling of taste? T-A-S-T-E. Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Okay children. This glass of water is very hot. Very hot. How can we feel? How can we understand? It is very hot or cold. Which body part help us to feel? Our skin. Our skin. Our body is covered with skin. The skin gives the protection of our body. Our skin help us to feel. What is the spelling of skin? S-K-I-N. Skin. Skin helps us to feel. Okay children. Eyes helps us to see. Nose helps us to smell. Ears help us to hear. Tongue helps us to taste. Skin helps us to feel. Okay children. These 5 body parts together are called sense organs. These 5 body parts together are called sense organs. Sense organs. Sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay children. The sense organs help us to sense all the things around us. Okay. So, you should take care of your sense organs. Okay students. Before winding up the class, I will give an assignment. This is our textbook. Our EVS start from page number 61. You will fill this page. Okay students. Thank you.